Mr. Speaker, I want to celebrate the President for the remark he made on Sunday during the interview that he was fielding questions. I did not support the fact that the President was fielding questions. I did not. Because I know that the President has people who are supposed to have fielded those questions. As like the leader of the majority was saying, the responses to security that the President was doing should either have been done by regular briefs by the IG or by Professor Kithure Kindiki. What was the President being put there? Being humiliated by the people of the media. But I celebrate him for accepting that we have wasteful expenditure in several offices in this country.